today, along with the help of Jono, we will be introducing the vertical jump. The vertical jump is a locomotor fundamental motor skill that should be first introduced in the early years of a child's school. It is recommended to initiate the skill in prep years and for the student to have it mastered by grade 2. The development of the vertical jump is crucial due to its importance in many sports. An example is being able to successfully catch a rebounding ball in basketball. Without the ability to jump up straight with outstretched arms, there is little to no chance of successfully completing the rebound against an opponent. Another example would be volleyball, when attempting a spike while close to the net. Further variations of the vertical jump motion can even be included in diving.
Why is a vertical jump important?
Through mastering the core skill of a vertical jump, students' coordination will be enhanced and furthermore develop their skills to set in motion other fundamental motor skills such as a dodge and skipping. Because the vertical jump is related to a wider range of sports, games and physical activities, therefore it is considered to be more of a core fundamental motor skill to gain physical literacy for lifelong learning. The majority of children have formed introductory components of a vertical jump when entering prep, but fine-tuning of the jump is needed to ensure efficiency in performing the skill. We will begin by demonstrating multiple stages and ways to perform and learn the movement for different skill levels. Billy will firstly demonstrate common areas in which the majority of students will perform in a vertical jump. Jump off one foot, land on one foot, no use of arms for movement, not using legs for momentum, eyes to focus on landing. All these common errors can be contributed to poor execution and form, but can be corrected and improved through practice. Hitting with the feet, have the student place their feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward, as well as the body. This will ensure the balance of the student. Moving on to the use of the legs. Demonstrating to the student the legs need to be bent to a 90-degree angle to maximise force projection for movement. To visually display a 90-degree angle, the use of a chair or bench with a flat surface will be adequate. Demonstrate to the student to use the ball of their feet. Demonstrate this balancing pose through modification. Firstly, practice with an aid to hold on to. Further moving on to individual stance and practicing again with the bend of the knees and emphasising landing on the balls of their feet and landing with their feet shoulder width apart as a wide base of support. This enhances stability on landing and maximises the height students will be able to jump. Further progressing to the use of the arms for movement. Emphasise to the student that using the arms in the movement will excel performance. Demonstrate to the student putting arms in a 90-degree pose whilst moving arms behind body and swinging through in a forward motion. Imagine you are reaching for the stars or be a rocket ship.
Rocket man, burning out the fuse out every bone.
Combine the two movements together through demonstration with the student. Observe from all angles to ensure the student is capable of performing multiple actions simultaneously. The student jumps multiple times while the teacher observes and makes corrections if necessary. Provide students with challenges when having mastered the skill. It is important to continue to improve the skill. Examples could include placing the student against a brick wall and challenge the student to see how high upon the wall they can reach. Mark the height and again challenge the student to beat that height. For further information on teaching and or performing the skill, there are numerous resources and references that are accessible through the World Wide Web to aid the individual in learning the fundamental motor skill. Accessing organisation websites such as the Victorian Department of Education or searching ACHPA vertical jump in a Google search will lead an individual to sufficient resources to learn and teach the fundamental motor skill.